Hello everybody, it's me again. And this right here is what the old timers used to tell how bad of a winter you was going to have. Let me see if I can get turned around here so we can lighten it up just a little bit. So there's the little feller. When he opens back up out of his little ball, we'll get a good look at him. Be right back. Okay, we're back. And he has come out his little curly ball. And you can see that the front of him has got more black on him than the back. So we were always taught that the front part of him was the first of winter and the back part is the last of winter. So you can see right there. So it looks like we're in for a pretty rough beginning of winter, but not so bad on up through at the end. And he's moving on now. Go, little dude, go. Let's get back to clearing out our bean plot.